Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management, DEM, a centralized solution enabling law enforcement agencies to store, manage, share, and analyze ever-increasing digital evidence collected from documents, images, bodycam, dashcams, CCTV and drones. Evidence is a critical component for any forensic investigation. Handling and processing of each evidence ultimately affect its admissibility in the legislative hearings. In this regard, a master evidence repository is a must-have feature that provides users a central place for ingestion, organization, and management of digital forensics. VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management System enables law enforcement agencies to ingest, store, manage, and analyze ever-increasing digital evidence collected from various sources while maintaining a complete trail of activities performed on each one of them. VIDIZMO provides an efficient, secure, and reliable evidence repository for handling and managing cases and evidence. In this video, we will be looking at VIDIZMO DEM's evidence repository. In VIDIZMO DEM, evidence repository consists of evidence library, my cases, favorites, my uploads, assigned, drafts, and recycle bin, all of which are accessible from your portal's homepage. In VIDIZMO's digital evidence management system, an evidence library is an accumulation of cases and evidence within folders. You can use folders to segregate your content into structured shelves for enhanced accessibility. While evidence repository acts as a central place from where evidence can be submitted, accessed, and managed, it also gives a hierarchical view of all the folders within your system, which simplifies navigation from a department to within a case and then the relevant evidence. My Cases section is available under the Evidence Library. It is the collection of all cases created by the authorized portal user currently logged in. It provides all case-specific information such as evidence, in that case, case creation date, views, to the officer when this section is opened. VIDIZMO DEM offers functionality to ease content accessibility by allowing officers and investigators to readily add evidence and case upon which they are currently working in their favorites section, to help them analyze and manage those files directly from the evidence repository. Click on the overflow menu of an evidence or case and select the Add to Favorites option. The evidence or case will be added to your favorites. VIDIZMO provides a workspace for every investigative officer where they can ingest digital evidence collected from a place of incidence, and centrally view their submission status, audit trail, and other necessary details to keep track of its usage during the investigation process of evidence within a case. The officer would have the right to re-upload, view information, delete, and unpublish evidence. Also, a user can filter evidence as per their requirements. There are times when the police department has to transfer custody of a case to another investigative officer. In the Assigned section, an officer can easily view all the cases assigned to them. Similarly, there can be a scenario in which evidence is being used in multiple cases. So, the evidence can be assigned to concerned officers by the authorized user. In the process of investigation, the authoritative officers have to carry out a detailed analysis before they can ingest evidence and create a relevant case. Such analysis includes gauging the integrity of the evidence, standardizing the naming convention of a case for central accessibility, and assessing the relevance of the evidence to multiple cases. Therefore, VIDIZMO DEM provides Drafts section, where agency officials can save their cases and evidence before publishing, while still editing them to ensure they meet all agency standards. This ensures that authoritative roles within the law enforcement agencies and other prosecutors or defense attorneys can access evidence and case along with the concrete findings and form a precise understanding of the whole scenario. The published evidence or cases have to be unpublished, in which case they lose visibility in the portal for end users, and the content can be republished after making required changes in title, description, tags, etc. It is worth noting that all unpublished cases and evidence go to the drafts as well. To ensure the admissibility of evidence, before it gets published, VIDIZMO DEM offers a feature that allows agency officials to centrally control and administer the approval and rejection policy of evidence submitted into the system. Evidence moderation can be enabled or disabled as per your requirements. If evidence moderation is enabled, the review section will be visible in the left menu. In this section, all evidence pending for approval would be visible and can be approved or rejected as per the defined content moderation policy. In the Recycle Bin section, deleted cases and evidence are temporarily stored. Here they stay till the defined retention period. The retention period of evidence and cases starts from the date when they were deleted. After the passage of the said duration with the retention period, the evidence will be purged permanently from the system beyond recovery. When a case is purged, the details associated with the case are permanently removed from the system, but the digital evidence assembled within a case shall remain intact. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO digital evidence management. Stay tuned until next time.